right, let's do the mistake correction section. And as always, kindness first. These are the mistakes of brave people, people who are trying. Let's look at them with warmth and fix them gently.
Let's fix them gently.
Mistake number 1. Very, very common. Someone says, I will go to the dentist next Tuesday. I already made the appointment.
Now, is this wrong? Not completely. People do say this, but there is a small mismatch between the feeling and the word. Next Tuesday, that is a plan. I already made the appointment, that is evidence, roots. The future is already in motion. And when the future already has roots, when the decision is not new, going to fits more naturally. It sounds more grounded. I am going to the dentist next Tuesday. I already made the appointment. Now everything matches. The plan and the language are speaking the same language.
Think of it this way. If you can point to evidence in the present, an appointment, a ticket, a conversation, a decision you already made, going to is your word. The roots are showing. Let going to honor them.
Mistake number 2. This one I hear so often, and I understand it completely. Someone makes a quick offer and says, wait, I am going to open the door for you. And grammatically, fine. It works, but it sounds a little heavy, a little over-planned, like opening the door was something you scheduled.
Like you put it in your calendar at 9 a.m., open door for colleague. Exactly. But opening the door was a spontaneous moment of kindness. You saw the situation and you responded. And so, I'll open the door for you, or even just, I'll get it, sounds so much more natural, more human, more warm. For spontaneous kindness, for real-time offers, for promises made in the moment, will is always your friend. Will is generous and immediate and real.
Mistake number 3. This one is a structure mistake rather than a feeling mistake. Someone says, I going to travel next year. And we hear this a lot. The am disappears, and I completely understand why. In fast speech, it gets swallowed. People hear gonna, which is the spoken casual form of going to, and they try to write the full form, but the am gets lost.
So let's fix it gently. Going to needs its partner, just like been needs its partner. We talked about that in an earlier episode. Going to needs the helper word in front of it. I am going to. She is going to. They are going to. Without it, the sentence is like a bridge with a missing plank. It almost works, but something is not holding.
I am going to travel next year. There, the plank is back. The bridge holds. And in spoken English, it's perfectly natural to say, I'm gonna travel next year. The am and going to shrink together, but both are still there, even if you cannot hear each one separately.
And this is such an important point. Spoken English often sounds different from written English. Will often becomes "'ll" in speech. I'll see you later. She'll be fine. They'll figure it out. And going to often becomes gonna. These are not lazy. These are natural. This is how living language sounds when people are actually talking.
Communication first, grammar later. Always.
Always. Okay, confidence moment.